that you can use as inspiration. Is that a record? Oh, my brain.
I've never seen you do that before.
I'm a little rusty. My student Mershaline recently said, "I'm doing better with posting more often and having better looking posts, but now I'm struggling with what to say under my posts. Help." Don't worry, Mershaline, I'm pretty sure we've all been there. If you've ever struggled with what to say in a caption, hello, you're in the right place, because today I'm sharing 9 caption examples from businesses that will hopefully spark some ideas for you. And stay tuned until the end, where I'm going to share how you can get 300 Instagram caption templates for you to use for your business so that you never have to start an Instagram caption from scratch again. The tips and ideas I'm about to share have worked for my student Kent, who booked in a client from Instagram, all because of the content that he shared. I'm Elise Dharma, and I've helped thousands of entrepreneurs, freelancers, and creators like yourself use Instagram to actually grow their business. And in today's video, I'm sharing 9 Instagram caption examples from businesses that you can use as inspiration. Before we dive into the examples, I just want to give you a heads up. I have found 3 categories of Instagram captions divided by inspiration, information, and entertainment, because if you haven't heard me say this before, that's how I define value. That's how you give value through your caption, is by sharing inspiration, information, and entertainment. So I've got you covered with all 3 categories. And even better news, within each category, I have found 3 examples for you, whether you are a coach-based business, a service-based business, or a product-based business. So with that, let's dive in. The first caption category is inspiration. Here's an example for a coach. This caption was written by Rachel Rogers, and I'm gonna put it up on the next slide, so be sure to pause this video if you wanna read it in full. What's great about this caption is the formatting. It's written in a way that you as the reader can easily skim it. It also highlights the transformation that you can get by working with Rachel as a coach. It then finishes up with how she as a coach can help you get there. Here's an example for a service provider. And again, I'm going to pop it up on the screen, so be sure to hit pause to read the caption in full. What's great about this caption by Chris is he's relating his treatment to your real life, whether you need his services today or not. This is a great way to have your audience feel connected to you, even if they don't need your services right this moment. The next caption in the inspiration category is for a product-based business. So again, I'm going to share it. Be sure to hit pause to read it. Why this caption is great is because it tells us the story behind the bag. So now all of a sudden, this isn't just a reusable bag, it's a piece of art, and we feel connected to the story and the designer behind it. This kind of caption is great to start building momentum for something like a product drop or a collection release. Next, I want to share with you 3 caption ideas in the information category. So for services, products, and coaches, here are 3 great ways to share information with your audience. Here's an example caption for you if you're a coach. And again, I'm going to pop it up on the next screen, hit pause to read it in full. This caption by Kaya works because she uses storytelling to drive her point home. By the end of the caption, not only have you learned something, but you're also very clear on who her ideal client is. The next example is for a service provider. Here it is. Why this caption works is because they're walking you through step by step the process of what happens when you purchase one of their packages. So this erases any questions or doubts that a potential buyer might have. Plus, the call to action at the end invites the reader to send a direct message to the account in case they have any remaining questions. So this is a great way to get clients booked in. The next caption example is for a product-based business. So go ahead and check it out. This caption by Dr. Jackie works because she's describing her product and what's inside in a way that's consistent with her brand. She's not just sharing an ingredients list. She also ends with an inviting call to action, which again is consistent with her brand. The last category is entertainment. Yes, entertaining your readers through your captions is a way to share value on the platform. So my first example is for you if you are a coach. This caption by Tarzan works because it's funny, relatable, and has a call to action. The next caption example is for you if you're a service provider. Go ahead, hit pause, and check it out. This caption by Ty the Trainer works because it shows his credibility. Everyone loves a challenge, whether they're participating in it or watching it. Ty is also tagging the person in his caption who challenged him, so this is a great way to boost his visibility because chances are that person will share this post in their stories with their followers. The last entertaining example is for a product-based brand. Go ahead, hit pause, read it, and check it out. This post by Lush received about 1,200 comments because they created a fun game for their followers in the caption. So if you can, make it fun for your followers to follow your brand. So there you have it, 9 captions from brands, and hopefully that got the wheels turning for you so that you can write your next caption quickly and easily. But of course, if you want 300 caption templates that I've already written for you, I invite you to check out Caption Vault. Caption Vault is 300 Instagram caption templates divided by 3 categories. 100 caption templates for your coaching-based business, 100 for your service-based business, and 100 for your product-based business. So go ahead and head to captionvault.co to check it out. To ease and revenue, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching today's training on Instagram captions for business. If you like this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell so that you don't miss any future trainings just like this one.